Nagsugba kong anak, panadaghan niyang makaon, mukbang na siya. Nana na siya.
Mr. Beast is rich.
Yeah, he is.
Mr. Beast is handsome.
I'm a...
Grabe na. Makuan mo ang. Basta sinugba. Kinamutan yun na basta sinugba.
Mr.
Panadaghan
Beast
makaon.
is rich.
Yeah, he is.
Dapat din nakatubang na kay.
I'm adding artificial affirmation to make myself sound cooler.
Wait, what? This wasn't my choice?
No, he actually makes the best videos on YouTube. They're viewed hundreds of millions of
Kinamot.
times, and his average cost per video now is
Halang kaayo na yung
$50.
kabuk.
So what if you only have like $20? Could you make a viral Mr. Beast red circle video? Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I have to get supplies. I have to get contestants. I have to have a prize. And this video's gotta be a banger. All from a $20 bill.
Ipang kapoy ni karong adlaw Sunday kay nagkuan
Thanks so much.
nang guba.
Cheers, you too. They didn't have any red spray paint. Embarrassing.
Alam kayo?
The downside of buying this right now is that the spray paint cost is going to come
Sige lang,
out
lamihan ka ha.
privately, which is way less convincing for people to come participate.
Usot pa man ko na kayo.
See that? That's a good video. Down the hatch. Walking off like a beast. Current prize pool is $8.66. I had no idea paint was so expensive. Mr. Beast's current cost up to this point, my current cost up to this point. Next we need to go find a field. Mr. Beast probably pays a lot of money to rent these out. He rented out SoFi Stadium once. We don't have that. We've got $8.66. Let's go. Alright, found $8.34. Now here's where it gets crazy, okay? Mr. Beast most likely has a talent coordinator, a scout, if you will, to find contestants. I don't think he's just picking these people off the streets. Oh, it's his bathroom. What I was saying is the next step in this process of recreating a Mr. Beast video at $20 is you actually have to have contestants. I need people to stand in this circle, last to lead, win. I don't know for sure, but Mr. Beast has a big team. He has a lot of people on his team helping him make the best videos on the internet. I'm assuming he has a talent scout acquisition guy. Boom, $300,000 salary. So we're up over $1 million cost on Mr. Beast's side. But I'm just gonna go up to strangers and see if they would be interested. So let's do this. Have you guys ever heard of Mr. Beast? Yeah. Would you guys like to participate in a Mr. Beast video? We got a big one. Okay, awesome. Hey, no worries. Fans of Mr. Beast, YouTuber. Okay. Okay, no worries. Sorry, Jimmy. Okay, so it's last to leave circle.
Okay.
Wins.
Just stand in the circle.
Yeah, well, you don't want to leave it. Do you want me to text it to you?
No.
Okay.
I'll bring someone else.
Really? Okay, perfect. So Morgan is saying that she's going to bring a friend to the circle, which helps a lot. That helps us get more people in the circle. But she has a concert at 8 o'clock, which means that she is very unlikely to win. Unless everyone just, I don't know, harder than it looks. Howdy. Did it? The prize money, okay. It's $8.66 right now.
Okay.
Howdy. Here's prize money. Guys, have a great day. Love the smile. Okay, I appreciate that. No worries. Yeah, don't worry. Hey, no sweat. Okay, hey guys, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Last to leave the circle. So you guys subscribe to Mr. Beast. Last to leave the circle wins $8. Maybe that talent scout acquisition guide is worth it. Goodness. I think most people are generally sketched out at the entire proposition because I'm not Mr. Beast. The worst part is whenever they ask how much prize money it is and I reach in my pocket and it jingled. Let's keep it going. Would you like to be in a Mr. Beast video? Howdy. You'll do it? Can I get your number and I'll text you the info? This is so fun. What's your name? Guys, Jen might take home the prize. Okay, next I'm going to show people this photo just so there's more context. Hopefully they don't ask about the money. It's money. No. It's not. It's not $20.
Unfortunately, can't tonight.
You think you interested?
Yeah.
Okay.
That circle?
Let me show you this. That's the circle right there.
Okay.
Everything's coming together. We're getting commitment. We're getting in group chats. This is big. This is big time. Look at that dog. Howdy. Thanks you guys. We're looking for contestants for a video we're filming. Hey, no sweat. Mr. Beast video, anyone? That's the circle. No worries. 5 p.m. Yeah. No worries. We need 2 more contestants for a last to leave the circle video. How are you feeling like about this? You down? Okay. We just got our final contestants for the video.
Alan,
And how you guys feeling about this?
he would probably win.
I feel competitive.
All right, well, I'll see you 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Alan, Kyle, good luck, guys. Watch out, Mr. Beast. I got my contestants. It's about a 5-hour window before it starts. So, probably can go home for a bit. Hi. Hey guys! Welcome. It's about that time. I'm about to successfully film a Mr. Beast video for $20. Since earlier today, Brianna, not coming. Sandra, not coming. Lindsay got home and her baby wasn't feeling well. I'm praying for her baby, but not coming. This is what happens when your budget is $20. You don't have commitment. But you guys know me. I have a plan. Oh, that's a good musical choice. Good. I know a guy named Tyler Spears who lives in Austin. He was in one of Mr. Beast's challenges, but lost. So I'm bringing him back for redemption. Coming. Susan, my wife's friend. She's coming. My friend Nick is free. He has free time. Coming. Oh yeah, looks like there's some...
Sabi ni nagbukbang, lain man kayo gatakilid.
Alan and Kyle. Yeah, that's a fun walk. I like that. Julia, Morgan, and Jack. And Susie.
Man.